All right, traders, happy Wednesday. Raz Capital here. 10:17 a.m. Wednesday, October 7th, market open. We have a chart of the Nasdaq here, and today's video is really about the current market environment. So we have an extremely fluid situation, an extremely choppy market, and taking a look here at the daily candles since October 1st, you have a big up day, and the following day down, a big down day, big up day, big down day, big up day. So it's really a choppy environment out there, and if you are chasing strength to the upside or the downside, you have unfavorable risk reward because it's really a market environment for shorter term day traders, swing traders, investors who or traders who want to hold their positions for 1 to 5 days because of this chop. Nonetheless, we do not think this is a market conducive to intermediate to longer term investors due to this volatility expansion and this incredible whipsaw we've been seeing in the indices. Nonetheless, we have the Nasdaq above its 20-day and 50-day moving average today at the open, which is constructive price action. And really, just to convey our thoughts, guys, there are a lot of opportunities out there in the market, very opportunistic opportunities as well. Short side or long side, that's what gives the market a little bit of fluidity. We've been seeing some telecom names get back above their 200-day moving average. So in this case, we took a long position, and this is not investment advice, obviously, on UMA. UMA had this nice little shakeout here at the 200-day moving average, reclaiming its 20-day moving average, which is a white line, and it really gives a good risk-reward profile to take this trade. So you don't have to make it complicated, guys. This is a very clear, very simple entry signal. You're trading above the 20-day moving average, and you're finding support currently around the 200-day moving average. And there are a lot of setups that look this way. So we think one can be an opportunist and take up opportunistic entries in any of these names, in the tech space, the telecom space. There are a lot of setups out there. Today, we're watching Southwest Airlines, maybe a close above that 200-day moving average could get the ball rolling on the long side, using the moving averages as your sell guide. So you could take a long trade around this 40 level if a decisive close does come into fruition, and use your moving averages as your selling guides, maybe placing a stop around that 36 level. Disney is also an interesting setup with a probable undercut here of the 200-day moving average and gap support around that 123.28 level. So there are setups, guys. This is taking a look more on the long side, and don't let the news-driven characteristics of this market spook you out. If you have a process, stick to it, and with correct trading processes, the results will come. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind that it is also a shorter term environment market with expanding volatility. We have the elections coming up in November. We have the stimulus bill negotiations, which have come to a sort of stalemate. So just be aware of the current environment you're in and take decisions accordingly. So Raz Capital here, tuning out. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and good trading out there as always.